I've been using the Dayforce Wallet mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Dayforce Wallet mobile app. Dayforce Wallet is an innovative mobile app designed to provide employees with on-demand access to their earned wages, offering financial flexibility and convenience. Additionally, with the ability to transfer earned pay directly to the Dayforce Wallet MasterCard, users can access their money immediately without waiting for payday. On top of that, the app also eliminates monthly fees, interest charges, and minimum spending requirements, making it an accessible solution for managing finances. A standout feature of Dayforce Wallet is its unlimited fee-free ATM withdrawals, allowing users to access cash anytime without additional costs. The app also supports free money transfers or instant transfers to external bank accounts. Furthermore, users can use the Dayforce Wallet MasterCard for purchases anywhere MasterCard is accepted, both online and in person. On top of that, the app also integrates seamlessly with employers who offer the service, enabling employees to register in few simple steps. Dayforce Wallet recently introduced a rewards program in partnership with Cardlytics, allowing users to earn cash back from over 100,000 merchants. These rewards are automatically added back into the wallet for further use. While the app is praised for its ease of use and financial empowerment, it is only available to employees whose employers have activated the service, which limits accessibility. Overall, Dayforce Wallet is a valuable tool for employees seeking greater control over their finances. Its fee-free structure and on-demand pay features make it ideal for those living paycheck to paycheck or facing unexpected expenses. However, you should consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.